2. Teeth and microbes. In this chapter, you will learn about functions of teeth, different types of teeth in human beings, kinds of teeth in permanent set, the structure of a tooth, the ways to protect our teeth, different kinds of microbes. Teeth are hard bony structures. They grow in the jaws. We enjoy eating solid foods like green guavas, nuts, raw vegetables, and sugarcane with the help of healthy teeth. It is painful to eat such foods if our teeth are not strong and healthy. Teeth help in biting into foodstuff and in chewing so that the food gets easily digested. Teeth help us to speak clearly. Our tongue touches the teeth while pronouncing certain words. Teeth gives a decent look to our face. Babies are born without teeth. Within the first year, their teeth start to grow. By the time they are 3 years old, they have their first set of milk teeth or temporary teeth. There are 10 in each jaws, giving the baby a total of 20 teeth. Between the ages of 6 and 12 years, the milk teeth falls out one by one. New ones grow in their place. This new set of teeth is called permanent set of teeth because they remain throughout our life. They are usually 32 in number. A set of permanent teeth. Molars, premolars, canine, incisors. Kinds of teeth. We have 4 kinds of teeth according to the kind of work they do. Incisors. The flat front teeth are called incisors. They have a sharp straight edge. They help us to cut food. There are 4 incisors in each jaw. Incisors are also called cutting teeth. They make our speech clear. Canines. Of either side of the incisors, there is a pointed teeth. There are 2 such teeth in each jaw. These teeth are called canines. They are also called tearing teeth. Premolars. Premolars are broad teeth next to the canines. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in each jaw. Premolars help to crack food and chew it. Premolars are also called cracking teeth. Molars. Molars are bigger, flatter, and broader teeth with a broader upper surface to chew and grind the food well. Molars are also called grinding teeth. There are 12 molars in all. 8 molars grow first, 2 on each side of the premolars. 4 molars grow later. The structure of a tooth. Crown, enamel, dentine, pulp, cementum, nerve and blood supply, root, Neck. Our teeth are fixed in the soft pink gums of each jaw. Only a part of each tooth can be seen. They are fixed in the jawbone below your gums. The outer cover of each tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest substance in the body. Just below the enamel is the dentine, which is not so hard as the enamel. Inside the dentine is the soft pulp. The blood is supplied to the tooth through the nerves in the pulp. The nerves go through holes in the tooth inside the jawbone. The portion of the tooth above the jaw is called the crown. The portion inside the jawbone is called the root. The root is fixed in the gum. Care of the teeth. If we take good care of our teeth, we can save them from decaying. Bits of food remain stuck to the teeth and they cause the growth of bacteria. Bacteria first attack the enamel and form a thin sticky film on the teeth. It is called plaque. They produce an acid which eats away the enamel. Slowly a cavity or a hole is formed in the tooth. If the cavity gets bigger and deeper, the pulp of tooth begins to hurt. Tooth decay results in bad breath, cavities, toothache, bleeding gums, and indigestions. Calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. Foods like milk and cheese are rich sources of calcium. Did you know? The toothbrush was invented more than 500 years ago. In India, people chew a neem twig and use it as a brush. The neem juice is an antiseptic which kills germs. Ways to protect your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day in the morning and before you sleep. Rinse your mouth after each meal. This washes out the food particles and bacteria and prevents the plague. Use floss to clean between the teeth. Clean the tongue also to remove bacteria. Bacteria attack our teeth and also cause bad breath. Avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snacks and drinks. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups. Microbes. There are microbes everywhere. They are in the air we breathe in, the food we eat, inside our bodies, on our hands, on the park bench we sit on, and at every place on the earth. Microbes are very tiny living things. They are invisible to the human eye, but we can see them with a microscope. Microbes grow rapidly if they get warmth, moisture, food, and air. Our mouth and blood provide favorable conditions for certain microbes. Some microbes causes diseases in our body. Disease-causing microbes are called germs. However, some microbes are useful. Kind of microbes. There are four kinds of microbes. Bacteria. Bacteria are very tiny creatures. Like us, all other living things, bacteria breathe, take in food, reproduce, and get rid of wastes. There are thousands of kinds of bacteria. Bacteria causes illness like sore throats, stomachache, cough, earache, bad breath, ulcers. Harmful bacteria causes diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis, and pneumonia. Viruses. Viruses are simple organisms that are too tiny. We can see them with an electron microscope. Viruses cause diseases like flu, polio, chickenpox, common cold, and measles. Protozoa. Protozoa are found in water. They are bigger than bacteria in size. Malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Fungi. Fungi are larger in size and are like plants. They grow on decaying matter and cause skin diseases like ringworm and athlete's foot. Some microbes are useful. Yeast is helpful microbes and we use it to make breads. To make food like cheese and curd, we use bacteria. For example, a bacteria called Lactobacillus make milk to curd. Another microbe we produces an antibiotic and we can use it to treat infections. Some medicines contains microbes. Antibiotics kill the harmful microbes that cause infections. Penicillin is an antibiotic made from a mold. Soil used to grow flowers and crop also benefit from bacteria. Many of these good bacteria help break down dead plants and animals. They recycle their nutrients and return them to environment for living plants and animals to use. Did you know? The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Roundup. Teeth help us in biting into foodstuff and in chewing, so the food gets easily digested. There are two sets of teeth in our life, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. There are four kinds of teeth in a permanent set: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. If we take good care of our teeth, we can save them from decaying. Microbes grow rapidly if they get warmth, moisture, food, and air. There are four kinds of microbes: virus, bacteria, protozoa, and fungi.